Welcome to my channel. 100 plus cool live wallpapers to make your desktop look amazing in 2026. You can find this wallpaper download link in my description. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder. Here you can able to see all the wallpapers. Select this display icon to see all the wallpapers. I'll show you guys how to use them for your Windows PC. Go to search menu and type store. Click on open the Microsoft Store. Insert type lively wallpaper. Select the first one, lively wallpaper install. Once download done, select the open option. Select this plus icon to add wallpaper and select choose a file and navigate to downloads. Open the extracted folder and this large as possible and choose the wallpaper you like the most. Click on open option. Click on OK. Have successfully set our wallpaper, and this way you can change the wallpaper. You have lots of available. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.